Welcome to today's review of the Meudeen Air Duster, a powerful cordless canned air solution designed specifically for cleaning your keyboard and other delicate electronics. If you've ever struggled with dust and debris clogging up your gadgets, you know how critical it is to have the right tools for the job. This innovative product could be just what you need. First, let's talk about its design. The Meudeen Air Duster is compact and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to handle and maneuver, especially when you're working on tight spaces like your keyboard. Its sleek appearance and ergonomic design mean you won't just find it functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Also, the cordless feature is a game changer, liberating you from being tethered to an outlet while you work. Performance-wise, the Meudeen Air Duster does not disappoint. With its powerful air blasting capabilities, it effectively dislodges dust particles, crumbs, and other unwanted debris from your keyboard and intricate electronic devices. One feature truly setting it apart is its energy-efficient design. Unlike traditional canned air products, which can be wasteful and less eco-friendly, this duster offers a sustainable solution for regular cleaning without the constant need for replacements. Moreover, this device suits various surfaces, not just keyboards. You can use it to clean your camera lenses, computer fans, and even intricate items around your workspace. Some users have shared that it's a fantastic option for cleaning delicate electronics such as printers, gaming consoles, and laptops. One of the highlights of the Meudeen Air Duster is its rechargeable battery. Users can enjoy uninterrupted cleaning sessions, making it convenient for continuous use without the hassle of running out of compressed air. The recharge time is quick, too, so you can get back to your cleaning tasks without a long wait. However, no product is without its slight drawbacks. Some users have mentioned that the duster can produce a very strong airflow, which, while beneficial for deep cleaning, demands caution to avoid blowing away lightweight items nearby. In rare instances, the noise level can be a bit loud for those who prefer a quieter cleaning solution. In conclusion, the Meudeen Air Duster is a versatile tool that delivers on performance and efficiency. Its design considers user-friendliness and sustainability, making it a must-have for anyone wanting to keep their electronics spotless. In the era of constant tech use, investing in a dependable cleaning tool like the Meudeen Air Duster can make all the difference in maintaining the longevity and functionality of our gadgets. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional gamer, or just looking to tidy up your workspace, this air duster will meet your needs with efficiency and style. Thank you for tuning in to today's review. We hope you found it informative. Until next time, happy cleaning.